Okay, I haven't solved the cube on camera for quite some time, so let's see what I can get done today. Here I have 4 cubes. My goal is to solve them quick enough that the video will not be any longer than my previous one where I only solved 3 cubes. Let's get started. And what do we have here first? I see these green pieces are in the correct position with the relationship to each other, so I'm gonna start with a green cross this time. Yeah. Where'd the other one go? Okay, that's decent. A good start. I'm expecting to get under 40 seconds. Under 30 seconds is not common for me. Currently I have a lot to learn, and I'm kind of recording this for myself, so when I do improve I can go back and see all the mistakes I made. But that was a good solve for me. It often comes down to finding the F2L pairs quickly, and that one was okay. Here, this is on the edge of my skill with, which way does it go, of building the cross. I can't always plan the whole cross in inspection, but I'm working on it, so let's see. There. How do we get a free F12 pair there, and then one more, and then what is this one? It's what's this PLL? Oh, no, I mean OLL. Oh, there we go, and then PLL. Okay, still under 40. I can't complain about that. 2 down, 2 to go. Okay, what do I do with this one? This one is nicely placed, so, but I'll leave it for last and deal with this red one kind of first. There. And, oh, not there, into this one, and so then we get that one, that one. Something's missing. There. Something's wrong, not missing. And we finish off with G term for 33. Can't be too happy with a solution where I make a mistake like that, but still with the time I am totally fine with that. We're still under a 40-second average, so this is looking okay. And with this one I immediately see these pieces are correctly placed in relationship to each other, but I'm really bad at preserving blocks like this, so I'm just gonna be satisfied with having these two, I think. So it goes like this, and there's the last one. And we're building orange. How this is so bad. Oh, but that's why I'm doing this, so that I can learn. And this is terrible. Where is the piece that I need? Oh, I'm there. Oh, and okay, I would panic there a little bit if I can't even get it done. but I did. So, okay, I managed to solve them all in under 40 seconds, so I'm fairly pleased. And you can tune in next time when we solve 5 cubes in the same time that I solved these ones. Perhaps, hopefully that video won't be another 9-10 years in the making. But see you then.